You know what I don't like? Anytime you go into a public place anymore, it seems like you're gonna run into a moron or be disturbed by some disturbing person. You can't go anywhere where anybody's acting their age, more or less their shoe size. It's embarrassing to people. Like, especially when you get foreigners here, people who know how to be graceful in public. They come and they meet an American who's like, you know, being all stupid, pranking the crap out of his friend or something. It's ridiculous. And then they look at him and say, wow, stupid Americans. It's no wonder we have a bad name. People don't know how to behave in public. It's ridiculous. What are you, 4? Seriously, grow up. Burping in a restaurant? Depends on the restaurant. But if I'm wearing a suit and tie, I don't want to hear your gaseous whatevers, okay? Seriously, keep it to yourself. And as far as making out with your girlfriend or your boyfriend, whichever way you swing, still, dude, keep it inside where nobody can see. Those are things that you should keep private. Get a room. And as far as getting a room, don't tell anybody about it if you don't have an inside voice. That's disturbing. Especially when you're walking into a restaurant, you're enjoying your chicken and waffles or something, right? Right! And then the guy behind you keeps burping, belching, farting, doing all this gross crap. Seriously, dude. What's your issue?
Are we done?
What are you doing?